cross my T's. I don't dot my I's. I won't say pretty please, or speaking little white lies. I've got a rebel soul. 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 Oh, just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down. I ain't no thing that you can chain with a ring. And I ain't no price.
Hello.
Tell him BJ will talk.
We're having some drinks, some Miami Vice drinks, and strawberry daiquiris
No links.
in our pool. Yeah, no links.
This is our Friday afternoon drinks and drinks.
Drinks
Yes.
and drinks.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
5 hours later.
Oh my God.
I'm looking like bad. Look at
Me
that.
too.
Oh,
We're like, what, 5 hours into pool
Look at me right
day?
here. Look, my hair is still looking good.
So this needs to, we need to take showers.
Yeah, we need to
And get ready for
just
dinner.
start over.
Look at that.
Look, we're all.
And you know, I sat there and
I'm still waiting.
I tried to sit there and take these down, but apparently I still got it. That's okay.
You
I
do
look
still
horrible.
have it. All right, we're gonna go reset.
Reset all of this. This is
Ugh,
working.
gross. We'll see you in a little bit. Oh my goodness. Are you the Kino Kid? And the Kino Candy? And the new shoes?
I know, the new shoes.
I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be good when I wanna. I just don't wanna. I can be.
We made it to Golden Steer with the besties.
Alright guys, time for the grand finale.
Rebel soul. I got a rebel soul. Yeah, I've got a rebel soul. Hey, down with it, my rebel soul. Down with it, my rebel soul. Down with it, my rebel soul. Down with it, just get down with it, down with it, down with it. Just get down with it, down with it, down with it, down with it, down. I've got a rebel soul.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hey, how's it going? I'm here, my speaker hurts.
So our guys seem so enthused.
Yes. They're super pumped.
They're like,
It's the morning of day 47
day 47.
of
We
this
didn't do many.
72-day trip.
72.
We're here though.
Yes.
We're headed to Peyote for brunch. Brunch. Food. Brunch.
That's food downtown.
With Melissa and Enrique Modelo time.
Where does
I'm
this
sorry,
come from?
Enrique. It's all
Left on Las Vegas Boulevard.
Modelo time.
That was the widest rolling of the R's.
Enrique.
Don't even ask me. The Mexican doesn't come out.
Anthony doesn't roll his R's either as a Guatemalan.
Yeah, it's so funny because he tried to roll his R's last night. He's like, oh, I just don't
He's
roll
on
my
Canada
R's.
did against what? You know that guy
We
was?
tried.
Oh, you mean
And
this?
Enrique.
It depends. It
Pretty
depends.
sure.
It depends which.
On Anthony's favorite podcast, the Dr. Green Thumb Show, there's a guy that reads all the announcements that can't roll his R's.
Bolton from Minnesota.
Bolton.
Like, he's super white.
And they're like, say that again?
They call him
Fredelo.
He's so white they
Prendelo.
call him Miracle Whip.
Back in business.
He put an extra ring on it.
Man,
I'm gonna switch days just because of that, bro.
T-Zone is in the building.
What's up, everybody? Yeah, I don't like it when you say hump day like that, bro. It's a dead giveaway that yes, this guy likes Miracle Whip.
It starts the day off right. It makes you feel good.
It's very whippish.
Yeah.
very whip.
I didn't mean that in a good way. I was just kidding.
Oh my god.
There's Miracle Whip activities. He's so white.
That's nice. Nice. And they always say prendelo. Is it prendelo or prendelo? Prendelo. It's quite the intro here. We're practicing for
Are you
Peyote.
still fucking filming?
Yeah.
She's
still recording.
You're actually filming? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, this whole entire time.
Yeah,
Well, here we go.
Here we go.
Like, which way is the strap?
Shitty train, I got no sun, there's only rain. I wanna crash and numb this pain. Nothing will last inside this lane. Oh, take me far away past these mediocre days. I need to stop this burn.
This is a tiny. We're all very close right
We're
now.
all
You're in my damn bubble.
It's got me feeling like so I should go before I'm oh no. This rodeo's got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm no. Forbidden fruit is not always right. Make way for change. Oh, shitty train. I know for certain I'm insane. Nothing can live here. The mud is so deep, I can't see. Now take me to another country. Let me start over. Oh, I long for green hills with meals and four-leaf clover. This rodeo's got me feeling like so I should go before I'm oh no. This rodeo's got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm no. Forbidden fruit. Oh, it's not always right. Make way for change. Make way for change. This rodeo's got me feeling like so I should go before I'm oh no. This rodeo's got me looking like a bad, bad girl. I should go before I'm
When you're sitting here videoing me coming down this way. This is what you look like. Shut
I
up.
know. We have short legs. What the chicken shit is this?
sucked at introing and outroing this trip.
Yes, we have.
This is more of a mid-tro.
Mid-tro.
Classic SES mid-tro.
Yes.
Yeah. Take it away.
So we're waiting for the Kinos outside of Udara. We're heading downtown for dinner at 7th and Carson.
Excited about it.
We had brunch downtown today with Melissa and Enrique
Yes.
at Peyote. It was amazing. Up in our way. Definitely check them
Say it
out.
again. Best food downtown.
It's delicious. But I'm excited to try 7th and Carson.
Yeah.
Should be good. And then tonight we have punk rock bowling.
First show.
First show, we're going to see Strung Out, and then we'll hang out on Fremont Street. We'll bring you along as much as we possibly can.
Yeah. It'll be interesting.
No
to see,
promises.
It'll be interesting to see how the Kinos react to their first punk show.
They're gonna love it.
So,
I can already see Candy's backpack flying. Hello.
and middle finger guy.
Oh, middle finger guy.
Look at, I got my little
Hello.
fanny pack.
Nice. Me too.
Apparently, why can't we wear them around our waist?
Because then people will know that we're 40.
Okay, so we're not 40.
We definitely are 40. I'm not 40 yet.
I'm 40.
I will be. This guy will be 40 in a couple days.
That guy passed it way a long time ago.
Excited for your first punk rock show?
It's gonna be an experience because
You're gonna love it.
I grew up with a whole bunch of punk rockers and I listened to punk rock music all my life. So
It'll be fun. Pretty
let's
pumped.
see.
Oh, I just blew a bubble.
I just won money.
Ooh, how much
I won
did you win?
$120 on 4 cards because I was getting really bored with Caveman Keno.
What pattern did you use?
I
What
just
numbers?
overlapped.
Overlap.
They get on top of each other.
Ooh.
So I hit like 6 out of, was it? I think it was 6 out of 7.
Nice.
So I hit it. Yeah. See, I win
So
more
you hit
money
it
on
and
doing
quit
it.
it.
I hit it and quit it.
What'd you think of 7th and Carson?
It's good.
Shit was good.
This shit is
The place is delicious. And
Yeah.
such variety on their menu.
super quick too.
Very quick.
Like we were in our reservation was at 7. We were done eating by 7:20.
Good. So now we're gonna find some drinks,
Oh shit! Drop
kill
me.
some time before punk rock bowling.
Because I need more drinks.
What's he gonna get, folks?
I don't know.
Pressure's on.
Pressure is on. What will he choose?